In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on CoinGecko. If you spend time tracking prices, charts, and market caps, dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes, especially at night, and it can help you focus by reducing screen glare. The whole process takes just a few clicks, and you don't need an account to do it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to CoinGecko.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar or use a search engine and select CoinGecko from the results. Once the homepage loads, give it a second to fully render so the menu elements appear. This works on desktop and mobile, so follow along on whichever device you're using. Next, look for the settings icon. On most screens, it appears near the top right of the page and looks like a small gear. It usually sits alongside other quick controls such as currency, language, or login. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see it immediately, tap the main menu icon to expand the header controls, then look for the gear inside that menu. Hover your mouse or tap it once to open the settings panel. You don't have to change anything else in this panel. Our goal is simply to reveal the theme option. Inside the settings panel, find the dark mode toggle. It may be labeled dark mode or appear as a switch with sun and moon icons. Click or tap the toggle once. The site will instantly switch to a darker color scheme. Backgrounds go dark, text turns light, and charts and tables update to a high contrast look that's comfortable in low light environments. That's it, dark mode is now enabled. A couple of helpful notes as you use it. Your choice is typically saved in your browser, so the next time you visit, CoinGecko should remember your theme. If the site reverts to light mode, it may be because your browser cleared site data. Just open settings again and re-enable the toggle. You can switch back at any time by returning to the same toggle and turning it off. This does not affect your watch lists or any market data you're viewing. It only changes the appearance. And you're done. You've enabled dark mode on CoinGecko in just a moment, making long sessions of research and price tracking more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing in a theme that suits your eyes.